Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 1, because before the vacation I just used to teach you SST through Links, but I am here to teach you SST after the vacation. I'm just shooting the videos for you so that what is the problem, whatever the problem you will receive on that YouTube link, that you will not get any problem in the book, because I'm here to teach you and I'm just going to read the line by line, and then after I will explain you the chapter so that you will not get any problem. And I think that you have completed your holiday homework and project work in good handwriting, and I think that you will not get any problem to complete that holiday homework and project work, because I have given a very easy to complete down all the homework. And I hope that you all are safe, and please enjoy your quality time with your family members. We know that we are in very pandemic disease virus like COVID-19, so it's better that we can enjoy at home, enjoy online classes at home, and we can enjoy our quality time like playing the ludos, carom, then video games, then you can read your book also, you can complete the homework also. Now, after finishing the homework, like after finishing the chapter 1 new words and question answer, that all I will upload on the Hotfoot International School website. So please you go there and you can check your homework, and please complete down in your fair copy, and it should be in good handwriting. So let's start the chapter, and I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Now let's start the chapter. So if you have the book, then please open and take out the page number 7, chapter 1. And if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Now let's start the chapter. Globes and maps. The Earth is the planet which we live on. We all know that the Earth is what? Earth is our third planet. We all know that we have 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And here is what the Earth is. What Earth is the planet that where we lived our life. We know that the Earth is round. We all know that the Earth is what? It's like a ball, orange, and it's like a round. But for a long time, it was believed that the Earth was flat. But after for a long time, before the long time, it was believed that the Earth is what? The Earth was flat, like that, flat. This view was changed around 500 years ago by the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, and this view is what it changed by the 500 years ago. The Portuguese explorer is what? Explorer, like that, the person who travels to look for new place and to learn about them. So here is what he is a Portuguese, and whose name is what? Ferdinand Magellan. You can see his picture also, it's there in your book, a portrait of Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, who proved that the Earth is round. Then who sailed westwards around the world with 5 ships. Then he is a sailor. He just sailed westwards through the around the world with his 5 ships. Although Magellan was killed one of his ships and returned to the place he had started after 3 years. And Magellan was killed on his one of the ship, because he had 5 ships. So he just killed on one of his ship, and when he just returned after the 3 years. This clearly proved that the Earth is round, and this what? It's clearly proved that the Earth is what? It's a round. Can you imagine that what would happen if the Earth were flat? Can you imagine that if the Earth is what? If the Earth is round, sorry, if the Earth were what? If the Earth were flat, Yes, if we travel to the edge to the earth, we fall off. Suppose it's a circle and it's a like it's what? It's a ball and earth is what? So what if we travel on the edge of the earth, we will what? We will fall. Have you ever seen a photograph of the earth taken from space? Have you ever seen any photograph of the earth which what it is taken from the space? Now the earth is what? The earth is so big. Earth is what? It's a very big and that we cannot see or study the whole and what whole for it at the same time. So we all know that the earth is what? Earth is very big. Earth is what? It's very big and we cannot see or study the whole of it at the same time because it's a very big, and if we can see the earth then we can't study at one time the whole globes, the whole earth. Therefore to study the earth, that's why for the study of the earth we use what? We use a model of the earth. We use the model of the earth that is called the globe. So for learn to know much more about the earth, we use what? We use the model of the earth that is called what? That is called the globe. Now you just see the picture in page number 7. A globe is there. So let's go through the topic the globe. Globe is what? A globe is a small model of the earth. Globe is what? A small model of the earth. It is round in shape like a ball. It is what? It's a round in shape like a ball. This shape is called a sphere. This shape is called what? It's called a sphere. A globe gives us a clear picture. A globe is what? If we can see the globe, then a globe gives what? A globe gives us picture, a clear picture of what the earth actually looks like. It gives what? It gives the clear picture that what the actually earths look like. It helps us to study the earth. Globes is what? It helps the study to the earth and gives us an idea and gives what? And gives us the idea that how it looks like, where the place, where the hills and where the different types of mountains and countries, cities. So it gives us ideas about the shape and the location of different countries and the location of different countries, oceans and seas. So what a globe is what? It helps us in a it helps us in very different ways. Like a globe gives us what? It gives clear picture that what the actually earth looks like. In fact, it helps us to study about the earth also, and it gives us an idea that about the shape and the location of different continents, countries, oceans and seas. So that's why that with the help of globe we can know much more about the earth, and that's why the globe is called the model of the earth. Next, the larger the globe, the easier it becomes to find place on it. So if any big globe is there, then that much easy to what? To find out any places on the globes. The road on which the globe spins represent the earth's axis. You can see the globe here, the rod. That rod is what? It represents the earth axis. Earth axis is what? It's an imaginary line. Imaginary, that it's not exactly, we just imagine that thing. So that rod is what? That rod which spins the globes, it represents the earth's axis. Now next topic that we will see in the next videos. So please guys watch the next videos. Till that, please stay at home and please don't go outside, and you can enjoy your online classes as well as you can complete your homework, and please watch the next videos for more information about the globes and maps. I think that we will see in the next class, but till that you can see the globe information. Thank you and have a nice day.